Demo Days at the World Ag Expo 2021. My name is Antonietta Baccanari. I'm the Italian Trade Commissioner at the Italian Trade Agency at Houston office. Our office is the primary promoter of Italian agricultural equipment in the US. The Italian Demo Days series is a first-of-a-kind digital event where an unprecedentedly high number of Italian companies are going to demonstrate in a series of brief videos new products, features and solutions for the US ag equipment market. If you are looking to improve your production and discover groundbreaking solutions for today's toughest problems in the industry, you will certainly want to tune in and follow our Demo Days. All the Italian companies showcased in the following demos are actively looking for partners in the US, especially dealers and distributors. This is why we truly believe Demo Days are the perfect opportunity for American businesses to take a first step towards expanding their ag-tech portfolios. If you are a farmer, dealer, importer, or distributor, feel free to directly reach out to any of the companies whose products you are interested in. Or if you have any further questions, please do not hesitate to contact us at houston@ice.it. Thank you for joining us and enjoy the demos.
The spading machine is a machine that simulates the manual process of spading, which, through the working organs, the spades, operates the breaking up and shuffling of the tilled soil. It's a tool for the first tillage of the soil, a less known but very valid alternative to plowing and tilling. Here is how the spade works. Every single spade, placed at the end of a connecting rod moved by the tractor's PTO, enters the ground, making an oblique cut at a certain depth. The ground is then ripped, lifted and thrown in the opposite direction to the forward direction. To increase the degree of soil disintegration, there is then an adjustable bonnet, which has the function of further breaking the clots that have been created as well as partially equalizing the surface of the worked layer. It is used for highly profitable crops, for example, horticulture, floriculture, vineyards and orchards, when therefore it's important to have high productivity. It is used both in greenhouses and in open fields, especially in those conditions of extreme soil humidity, rice fields for example, or when the soil is particularly dry. Let us now come to the countless advantages that the spading machine can bring to the soil work. It does not leave the work in soil, thus allowing excellent oxygenation of the soil and also allowing the roots to grow freely. It mixes the residues of previous crops, fertilizer and/or manure. Having the spading machine an alternative and not rotating movement helps the tractor advance. As it does not require tractive effort, the spading machine does not require much effort power, and for this reason leads to significant fuel savings. It can work in very wet ground conditions, helping the tractor to move forward. Maximum working depth that can vary from 25 cm for lighter series to 32-35 cm for medium series, up to 50 cm for heavier series. The working depth can be adjusted by means of slides or wheels. It works evenly across the entire width of the machine, turning the ground evenly. Let's see how this last element favors to an increase in productivity in the baby leaf. Working the soil uniformly for the baby leaf and vegetables in general guarantees uniform porosity. And at irrigation level, this ensures that the water is better distributed and there is no dispersion. When the plant is transplanted, they grow uniformly, facilitating the harvesting phase, having more precise cuts and therefore less waste.
Buongiorno, siamo a Castenaso, azienda agricola Marzaduri. Io sono il titolare di questa società agricola Marzaduri, circa 70 ettari di terreno tra affitto e proprietà, e prevalenza faccio l'orticoltore, faccio lettughe, insalate, ricce, scarole, radicchi e quant'altro. Faccio da sempre, da quando mi ha ceduto l'azienda mio padre, che a sua volta era di mio nonno, quindi c'è praticamente un proseguire dell'attività. Allora, diciamo che nelle serre con un arato non lo si può usare, ci potrebbe usare strippatore, ripper e quant'altro, però per il rimescolamento del terreno, soprattutto per incarrare gli residui culturali della cultura ovviamente precedente, è sicuramente l'attrezzo più indicato. Diciamo che la vanghiatrice bivanga ha questa prerogativa, che tiene molto sollevato il terreno, respira, lavora meglio, soprattutto nelle lavorazioni invernali, fuori dalle serre, con il gelo, con le gelate notturne, fa sì che il terreno venga più friabile e quant'altro.
The MRS side tipper can be easily applied to all agricultural and industrial forklifts or other machines. The versatility of the hydraulic side tipper MRS makes the equipment ideal for different fields, although it is specific for agri-food processing, specific for use in oil mill, cellar, farm, canning industry, food industry, or for working in warehouses, greenhouses, and closed spaces. The patent locking system is the most advanced for your company. Through an upper wing, driven by 2 hydraulic cylinders, and 2 lower wings, driven by 2 hydraulic cylinders, the tipper creates a double action, ensuring an effective grip on the bins. With the use of a single lever, the MRS tipper allows the tipping of different containers, bins, or chests of different heights, avoiding any contact between the contents of the bins and the mechanical or hydraulic components of the machine. The equipment is ideal for sustainable, ecological agriculture, allowing ecological weeding in the sub-rows of orchards, vineyards, or olive groves, and the elimination of weeds without destroying the microorganism present in the soil. The strength point of the cultivator is the application to the tractor's 3-point linkage, and thanks to the positioning of the working group on the side of the tractor, the operator can comfortably control the various stages of processing with his eyes facing the front. The equipment can easily be applied to many different tractors, and it is supplied as standard with oil tank with filter, multiplier pump kit to be applied to the tractor PTO to be independent from the tractor. The potentially applicable equipment are many and can also be purchased at a later time. 3 round discs unit complete with automatic tracer. Group of 3 tooted discs. The smooth and tooted disc unit allow the undressing and tamping of the soil, avoiding the creation of working soil, with consequent impermeability of the soil. In a row star, weeder blade, sucker remover, grass cutter disc.
1985. The beginning, problems, weeds, crop, residues, fungal, diseases, bacteria and insects. Solutions. Heat treatment by flame. Flaming disinfection with heat, targets. Quantitative and qualitative improvement of products, increase of crops, respecting the environment, transformation of the plant residue in the field, from a source of disease inoculation, it will be transformed into an organic substance immediately available to the soil, destruction of fungal spores that may have developed and propagated during growth, due to adverse weather conditions, the irrigation system, etc. Inhibition of germination of weed seeds on the soil surface. Advantages. Zero products residues, neither in the environment, low work and maintenance costs, high work rate speed. It is part of the techniques applied in organic and biodynamic farming. From 1985 to 2021. Same problems. Evolution in the solution. Flame temperature of 28, 22, 31, 82 degrees Fahrenheit. With a rotary harrow in order to increase the heat effect. With LPG tank. With berry stones in clay soils.